record before the court is the continuation of the trial in the matter of Commonwealth versus Aaron Hernandez on docket 14-10417 and 15-10384. Mr. Hernandez is present in court, represented by attorneys Jose Baez, Ronald Sullivan, George Leontire, and Linda Kenny-Bodden. The Commonwealth is present, represented by Assistant District Attorneys Patrick Hagan, Mark Lee, and Teresa Anderson. Good morning, Your Honor. All 12 members of our deliberating jury and our 3 alternates are present.
Good morning, counsel. Good morning, folks. Let me inquire of all our jurors, both deliberating and our alternates, whether, since you left yesterday afternoon, any juror has discussed the case, read, heard, or seen anything about this case outside of court, or had any contact with the case outside of court. If you have, would you please raise your hand? And I see no hands raised, and I find the juror remains indifferent, and as to our deliberating jury, that they remain indifferent as to all outside or extraneous matters. And I will ask once again that you all, our deliberating jurors, resume your deliberations. You've spent a great deal of time on this, and I can't tell you how much we all appreciate your efforts in this case. And I'm going to ask if you would resume those efforts. And to our alternates, again, thank you for your patience through this process. The jurors may now resume their deliberations.
All rise, please. Jurors, please.
This morning from an attorney in Ohio, apparently representing William Belichick, inquiring as to whether or not process had issued for his appearance and whether or not any consequences arose from his failure to appear. Can you speak to that in any way?
Yes, sir. I think Mr. Belichick needs to come to my office so we can discuss this personally. But actually, all kidding aside, Judge, we had effected service on Mr. Belichick. It was not, he didn't receive I think he had 24 hours notice. We understand, given his schedule, was difficult for us. The reason for the delay on that part was the community where he lived. Our process server was not able to get in numerous times. So we made a strategic decision to release him from service and process.
Are you asserting that he was in fact properly served?
Yes.
All right, and no request was made of the court for any intervention?
No, sir. We didn't. It was towards the end of the trial. I think it was the last day. We didn't think that his testimony was critical to the defense, so we released him.
All right. Then I think it would be appropriate for our clerk to communicate back that Mr. Belichick is relieved of any obligation with regard to this matter.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right. Anything else for the court?
Your Honor.
Okay. We'll be in recess.
All rise.